For this next section, we're working on the analysis process and participants and location. For the analysis process, we conducted a job analysis and a report for the residential directors. A job analysis is a structured form of gathering information about the specific content and requirements that a job entails. This is useful for employers to put out for potential employees to read and look over and decide if this is a job that they think that they would be a great fit for. We conducted this job analysis using the Guidelines-Oriented Job Analysis System, also known as the GOJA system, owned by the Biddle Consulting Group, or BCG. So a little bit about the Biddle Consulting Group. This Biddle Consulting Group has over 40 years of experience with equal employment opportunities and affirmative action planning, and also has over 30 years of experience with software development. As a residential director, one should be fair and just to all demographics. So the Biddle Consulting Group prides themselves in providing clients with equal opportunity employment and affirmative action planning and employee selection, so they prove to be a reliable group to contribute to our job analysis. This system, while developed in the 70s, has been used by many employers for job analyses and selections. The goal of the guidelines-oriented job analysis is to develop content-valid selection tools for employers to use. Because of its structure or because of its strict adherence to the federal guidelines and principles for validating selection processes, it has set itself up to have its selection processes and job analyses be fair, valid, and effective, and resistant to falsifiability, which makes it able to stand its ground against counterclaims and in court cases. The GOJA system includes plans, assessments, and various job-related tools to aid in job selection and promotion, interviews, and other standards or requirements set by the job at hand. The GOJA has been successful in beating court cases dealing with different work products created by the guidelines-oriented job analysis. Some of these cases include jobs like firefighters, surgeons, engineers, and captains, and many others. This further defends the fact that the guidelines-oriented job analysis has been proven to be legitimate. It has also been used across various universities and even in textbooks in places like Auburn University and in DC. Some of these uses in these places include a use in personal management and human resources and local government, recruiting and selection systems and uses, and analyzing employers' job classifications. This is important to note because it further validates the use of the BCG's GOJA by showing versatility. On to the participants and the location. We tried to include data from as many participants as possible. However, because of COVID and other related issues, responses were delayed or not filled out in time. So included in this job analysis is data from 7 Liberty University residential directors, or RDs, who have performed the function of an RD. In this section, we will verify that the subject matter experts, or the SMEs, are a diverse group. It has been shown that as little as 7 to 10 subject matter experts are needed for reliable results, and this job analysis fits those requirements. For the participants, diversity is gauged by the experience of the subject matter experts, by the gender of the experts, the ethnicity, and the age of the experts. Because we only had 7, 6 experts have performed the role for 1 to 4 years, and 1 expert for about 5 to 9 years. For the gender of the subject matter experts, there's 5 male and 2 female. Ethnicity consists of 5 white subject matter experts, 1 Asian and Pacific Islander subject matter expert, and 1 mixed. And the ages consist of 6 experts within the ages of 20 to 29 years old, and 1 expert within the age of 30 to 39 years old. And the location is the job analysis workshop was held at the Liberty University in DeMoss Hall in Lynchburg, Virginia.